Suno just dropped a brand new update that basically turns the platform into an AI DJ. It's called Mashup. If you've ever wondered what would happen if you took the soul of one song and performed it with the bones of another, this is exactly what we're talking about today. What makes this update so special isn't just that we can mix two tracks. It's that we finally have real control over how much of the original song stays in the new version. So how do you actually do it? It's very simple. You have two main ways to start. You can just grab a song you've already made from the workspace and just drag it over to the Create column on the left, where you will see an option named Mashup. Or you can click the three dots next to any song, go to Remix Edit, and find the Mashup button in the menu. The first thing you need to know is what I call the top song rule. The very first song you pick, let's call it Song A, acts like the skeleton of your new track. It usually decides the structure and the timing. The second song you add, Song B, is like the skin or the outfit. It brings the flavor. If you want a rock song with a little bit of folk vibe, put rock on top. If you want a folk song with rock energy, put folk on top. It makes a huge difference. It's time to try out some mashups. I wanted to see if I could mix a huge sound with a small story. I created a track called Shadows Stretch on Waves of Time. This one has a heavenly classical choral sound, lots of voices and a big cinematic feel.
Whispers of wind, turning the wheel. Spring awakens winter yields. In springtime green, the buds unfold. Rivers sing where frost once bold. Blossoms dance in morning dew. Life returns, the world made new. Through the turning day by day, nature's hand will lead the way.
I will drag it to the Create section and select the Mashup button. Then, I have a song here called Dust on the Dashboard, which is a very simple, grounded country folk song with an acoustic guitar.
You left your sweater on the back seat, folded like you meant to stay. Coffee ring on my old dash, still ain't wiped that stain away. Your hair tie on my rear view sways every time this truck rolls, like it's keeping time with memories. I feel it tugging at my soul. There's dust on the dashboard, but your shadow's riding shotgun. Every line on this old road spells out what we've both done. I keep talking to an empty seat, like you're gonna answer me.
Yeah, it's an entirely different vibe from our first song, and should be a perfect choice for a mashup. So let's drag it there as well. When you add that second song, a box pops up asking what you want to do with the lyrics. You can keep the words from Song A, Song B, or click Mashup Lyrics. I'm going to choose to mash up the lyrics. The AI actually looks at the themes and comes with the mashed up lyrics. It took the thick and thin story from the folk song and blended it into the shadowy world of the choral track. I'm going to leave the style box empty this time, and on Advanced Options, let's reduce the weirdness slider and I turn the audio influence slider up high. Let's listen to the result. I feel like it takes a larger than usual time to generate with the mashup feature. Anyway, here we are.
Whispers of wind, turning the wheel. Spring awakens winter yields.
You left your sweater on the back seat, folded like you meant to stay. In springtime green, the buds unfold. Rivers sing where frost once bold. Coffee ring on my
still ain't wiped that stain away.
Blossoms dance in morning dew. Life returns, the world made new.
Your hair tie on my rear view sways every time this tug rolls.
That's incredible. It kept that big, epic background from the first song but put the storytelling folk vocal right in the middle. It sounded like a song from a movie trailer, big and emotional at the same time. Next, I tried something a bit more extreme. I call this the elemental clash. I wanted to see if fire and water could actually work together. For the fire theme, I used a heavy aggressive rock song called Ignite the Night. And for the water element, I created a soft Lofi piano ballad called Rainfall Reverie.
Streetlights blur in the downpour haze. Puddles mirror the neon maze. Umbrellas sway like forgotten dreams. City whispers in liquid streams. Every ripple tells a tale, washing worries down the trail.
This is where it gets really cool. Watch the lyric box. The AI is even adding little production notes for sections. Storm of light, cleanse and consume. It's acting like a real producer. Just like before, I will set high influence and hit create.
Umbrellas sway like forgotten dreams. City whispers in liquid streams. From ashes we rise, fest to the air, defying the cold, stripping it bare.
Every ripple tells a tale,
Washing worries down the trail,
feel the heat.
rising higher. Embers glow, fuel the fire. Rain, rain, falling soft tonight, carrying sorrows out of sight. Fire, burning through the night, raging wild, we own the fight. In this rhythm, hearts unwind, love our dreams in the power we find. No chains can hold, no fear set fire to blaze. Our spirit.
The final version took that soft piano from the lo-fi song and lets the powerful rock voice sing over it. It creates this incredible power ballad feel that proves you can move a voice from a loud song into a quiet one without losing the singer's personality. Now, let's do some style swapping. I have two tracks here that are each built on Italian and African rhythms. Here's the African one.
Hey, you, through thick and thin, best friend, let the good times begin. Go! Late nights laughing till the dawn.
And the Italian track.
Conquer fear. Love, this fire we can't contain, burning brighter through the rain. Hearts entwined, no end in sight. Forever yours in endless night.
My goal is to take all that musical DNA from both tracks and force it into a Japanese traditional music style. After I pick the songs and combine the lyrics, I'm going into the styles box. I'm going to type in Japanese traditional music same settings, and hit create.
Hey, you through thick and thin, in the quiet hours when shadows fall. Best friend, let the good times begin. Your touch ignites what darkest calls. Late nights laughing till the dawn. Secrets shared on others dawn. Eyes like stars that pull me near. Whispers promise will conquer fear. Road trips wild, no map in sight. Your crazy plans always feel right.
On this first try, it's okay, but it doesn't feel unique enough. I do think some rhythm beats resembled some Japanese vibe, but mostly it sounded a bit like a normal pop rock song with only a tiny bit of Asian flavor. So I'm going to try again, this time changing the style prompt for Chinese traditional music. And on this occasion, I'm going to include some Chinese instruments as well to push the AI for prompt adherence. I'm pushing both the style influence and audio influence sliders up to about 85%, and hit generate for the second try.
In the quiet hours when shadows fall, your touch ignites what darkness calls. Eyes like stars that pull me near. Whispers promise will conquer fear. Love is fire we can't contain, burning brighter through the rain. Hot hearts entwined, no end in sight. Forever yours.
This second try is much better. It keeps the body of my original songs, but completely swaps their culture. Let's pause and look at what those sliders are actually doing, because they are the secret to a high-quality mashup. Audio influence is all about the DNA of the performance. If I turn it up to strong, the AI tries to copy the exact way the singer sang the original notes. If I turn it down to loose, I'm giving the AI permission to get creative and change the melody. Style influence is about the world the song lives in. If I type in a new genre like synthwave or jazz, a high-style influence forces the AI to use those specific instruments and beats. If I keep it low, the AI stays closer to the original instruments from my two source songs. One more helpful thing to notice in the Workspace. Every new mashup tells you exactly where it came from. Click on a generation in the Workspace, and right above the lyrics you can see the names of the two parent songs right there. I can click on them to go back and hear the originals. This is great for keeping track of my work, but it also opens up a huge door for collaboration. You can find a song made by someone else that you love, grab its link, and mash it with one of your own songs. It's like doing a virtual feature with anyone on the platform. This update is a huge step forward for anyone who wants to be intentional with their music. You can take a melody you made months ago and re-perform it with a brand new style you just found today. So dive into your library, find two songs that have no business being together, the weirder the better, and mash them up. Use those influence sliders to find that perfect balance. Is the era of the AI DJ here? Go ahead, Mashup and find out. If you found this guide helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest AI music tips, hit that subscribe button. I'm constantly testing these new updates so you don't have to waste your credits doing it alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.